Broken arm. Broken arm. Example. The doctor recommended physical therapy to strengthen the muscles around the previously broken arm. Broken leg. Broken leg. Example. Even with his leg broken, he walked miles. Asthma. Asthma. Example. Regular exercise can help maintain healthy lung function and reduce the risk of asthma. Backache. Backache. Example. Sitting for too long can lead to a backache. Headache. Headache. Example. I have a slight headache from staying up too late last night. Earache. Earache. Example. A common cause of earache is an ear infection. Toothache. Toothache. Example. Dentists can help you with a toothache. Stomachache. Stomachache. Example. Eating too quickly can give you a stomachache. Cough. Cough. Example. If you have a persistent cough, it's best to see a doctor. Fever. Fever. Example. When you have a fever, your body temperature rises. Cold. Cold. Example. Being exposed to cold temperatures for too long can result in hypothermia. Nosebleeds. Nosebleeds. Example. Nosebleeds can make you lose blood and feel weak. Runny nose. Runny nose. Example. A runny nose can make it hard to breathe. Rashes. Rashes. Example. Some rashes are caused by allergies. Sneeze. Sneeze. Example. Sneezing without covering your mouth can spread germs to others. Sore throat. Sore throat. Example. A sore throat can make it hard to swallow. Chest pain. Chest pain. Example. Feeling chest pain constantly can signal heart problems.